Hi, I'm Rachel, the Messy Minimalist, and you're watching Declutter Your Life on Guru Hub. Today's video is all about making good habits so you're not decluttering the same space over and over again. And our question came in from Molly Ridgway. She says, I can spend all day cleaning, purging, organizing, but I am unable to keep it that way. Maybe my system is inadequate. It probably is, and that is okay. Again, you're talking to the messy minimalist, not the tidy minimalist, so this is not something that came easily for me. But to establish good habits, my family has found something that really works for us, and we call it farm chores. So we call them farm chores because they're the kind of chores that we're going to do every single day at the same time each day. And the idea here is that if we do this long enough, it will become a habit and not a chore. Here's an example of how these chores are working in our house right now. We are ultra focused on our kitchen. So for me, every single night, I bust the dishes, do the dishes, and wipe down the counter. That's my chore. And then the next morning, I put the dishes away, whether they were in the dishwasher or on the counter, and I usually wipe down the counter one more time just to make sure that we have a clean slate for the day. Now, it's everybody else's task in my house to make sure that they clean up their messes every single time they make one. So if there's a mess that involves the kitchen, it gets cleaned up as soon as it's done. This is a lot easier to do when you're starting with a clean slate. So again, if you've decluttered a space once, that's the time to start your farm chores. Delegate chores out either to yourself or to each member of the family, figure out what's realistic, and then here's a quick tip to make sure that you can do it every day. You set an alarm in your phone. Eventually you'll notice that you anticipate your alarm going off and you just do the chore anyway. This is when you know it's turning into a habit and less of a chore. Hopefully you'll find that your chores start to feel more like habits and you're not decluttering the same space over and over again. You're watching Declutter Your Life on Guru Hub. Don't forget, you can reach out to me on social media with your questions using hashtag GuruHub for a chance to be featured in my next video.